Good morning, Earthlings. I'd like to take this time to talk a little bit about what is happening in our country right now with the death of Mr. George Floyd. We, in our school system and in our world, we seem to talk about diversity. We pushing diversity. And you look at diversity, diversity is a state of being diverse, being different. And the way we're different by race, ethnicity, status, gender, sexual orientation, social economic status, age, physical abilities, religious beliefs. Those are differences. But if we really would look at things, we're more similar. And being similar is the same in likeness, because that's why I call us Earthlings. Because we eat food, no matter what kind of food you eat, it's still food. No matter what kind of water or where you get your water, it's still water. Or where you get your air, it's still air. Or where you live, if you live under a cardboard box or under a bush or in a mansion, that's still your shelter. And most important, we all need love. And we need to start looking at ourselves as being the same, not different. Because how do you build something on everybody being different? You build something strong because everyone is have the same idea and they treat each other the same. Because you look at the physical and the general definition of matter. Matter, through physics and chemistry, matter occupies space and has weight. But then you look at also, so what I would do sometime would take a student in my class and I would have them come up and I would have them stand beside me. And I would ask the students, can I walk through this person? No, because they are, through physics and chemistry, they are matter. They take up space and they have weight, so I can't walk through them. But also the most important thing is that they do matter as a human being. And that's the most important part to look at it as well. Through physics and chemistry, they matter, but also for social and emotionally, they matter. And I wish we need to start looking at what we can do to come together and not attack each other. And I believe that we should use Mr. George Floyd's death as a starting point on how we can learn how to work together. And I want to kind of jump on the wagon that former President Biden has stated when he told the young black man that if you can't distinguish between me and President Trump, then you're not black. So I want to kind of add something, kind of the same thing. If you can look at that tape, that video of that gentleman on the ground begging for his life, and this one police officer has his knee on his neck, and there's two others, one has his knee in his back and on his leg. If you can look at that video and it does not touch your heart, it doesn't touch your soul, and you feel empathy, sympathy, sadness, then maybe you're not human. So think about that. We have to start working together, looking at each other as an equal, as one. There's only one race, and that's the human race. Thank you for your time, and let's start working together, looking at ways we could come together and enjoy this beautiful planet that we live on, the planet Earth. Thank you.